Well, good evening, everybody. It's Bella here from RachandBellaCrafts. I've just popped on for two things, just to show you what I've been up to over the last few days since we came back from the retreat, and also to finish off the giveaway for Rachel, because Rachel is very tied up at the moment. She has something personal going on and she has to attend to that. So I'll let her tell you about that when she speaks to you. So I've decided to come on and finish doing the giveaway because I know a few of you have been wondering where it is. Apologies for that, but life gets in the way sometimes, doesn't it? And Rachel does have a lot going on. Anyway, what have I been up to? I've been up to making a prayer journal, as you can see. I'm not going to go through everything because you'll want to get to the giveaways. So I've been making lots of ephemera for this lovely journal I'm making, and I'm using Whiteboard Studios papers. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and I'm also using Rach and Bella's background pages. I think it's either from Billet Doux or one of her kits. I think it is Billet Doux. I think I recognise that background there because I know it was blue and I wanted to pick out some blues so that I wasn't just using the one kit. I've also done some stamping. Now these little holy cards here and on this one, as you can see, they're from Ruby and Pearl XO. Okay, so that's what they're from, but the majority is from out of the kit. I've also downloaded some words which I've been putting onto here, which I'll have to put in the bottom of the video because I haven't had time to find out or remember who they are. And where's the ones with the words on? They're the ones with those on. But anyway, I can't. Oh, there. Love never fails. These words here. Now, I know I've got these on my computer somewhere, but I've had to go and download them again and buy them again because I can't find them. Sometimes the computer can be a pain in the neck, can't it? Because it doesn't do what you want it to do, or you can't find anything. But there we are. That's life, such as it is. I've been doing a little bit painting on some of the papers. Now this is out of the book that Rose gave me. I did show you in the last video after the retreat, if you remember. And I said I was going to make a prayer journal. It's a bit shiny, so I won't linger on those, but they are beautiful. I just want to show you these, and I'm just going to whip through a couple of things. These I made last week. Aren't they gorgeous? Now these are ruby and pearls, okay? And I have stitched on all of these. So that's a little side tuck. Okay, so that's that one. I won't bother putting it back in. I'll just keep going because I know you'll want me to get to the giveaways. But I just wanted you to see what I've been up to and to let you know that Rachel is okay, but she has got something very important going on. So I hope you... Oh, look, I've just found a load of... Oh, how fun. That's great because... This is quite a big journal, so I've done some pockets there, look. So show you now how that's going to work. And I think that was one of Ruby and Pearl's idea, I believe, because I've been back onto her channel. Okay. And I just pick these ideas up as I go along because I do watch a lot of videos. I like to support the channels. And why is that stuck in there? No, there we go. It's okay. It's been sitting in there a little while. But there we are. It fits in nicely. I've got to back that one or not. We'll see. So we've got now some... That one can go in here. I've been looking for little tags. That's why I made that little one there. So that one can go in there nicely. And then this one can go in here. They're very similar, so I may change it. All right. Just fits in there, but that's too big, so I won't keep that one in there. But I've got lots of ephemera now, guys, because I've been really, really busy. Just keeping myself busy, because obviously worrying about Rachel and what's going on there. And just keeping myself busy making this journal. And I've done a few of these. I think there's 3 of these altogether. All right, so there you go. So there's just an idea of what I have been up to over the last week or so. Okay, so all these now can go in, and then I will show you it all completed over the weekend, probably, when I finished it. All right, there's a nice belly band there waiting for a side tuck, which might be that one. And that can go in there, and I've got some frou-frou sticking out there. That'll be nice in there, won't it? So I've got plenty of things to go in now, and I've got things waiting to be popped in here as well. So there's lots going on in this journal, and there's another one there that I put there ready. So I've got a lot of gluing in to do, but that's fine. I put some gold paint around here. I may do some more gold painting. I've done some gold painting on there, and this is a hardcover book, and I put some beautiful material down there, and that's what I've done on the spine. And that was one that I made a while ago, so I thought that looked rather nice on there. So there you go, guys, that's what I've been up to. Right, let's get to the giveaways. So let's do the first one. So don't look down here, let's fold them up. So the first giveaway is from Mimi's Keepsakes, and she's given away 5 paper packs. So I'm going to stand up, make sure you can see these. So we've got Pamela Douglas 5193, Cindy Thompson 1805, and at Heather Spalding 7731, Lisa Stevens 2607, and Brenda Butler 5738. Congratulations to those winners from Mimi's Keepsakes, and you'll each receive one of these paper packs. I presume that's what she meant. So let's see if I can fold that one over now. So we're on to, oh no, I missed it. Should have gone up there, sorry. Bear with. So forget that up there, now I've done that. So now we've got, her YouTube channel is Bumblebee Crafts, and she's given away 1 ephemera pack, and the winner is Chris Gibson 8409. Chris Gibson 8409. Okay, and the last one is Faith in Grits, her YouTube channel, and the giveaway was napkins. There you go, and it's Tanya Gresham 9764. All right, now I'll put this on the Facebook page, and I will upload it onto the Facebook page for these channel names to see them. And then if you contact these people, Mimi's Keepsakes, Bumblebee Crafts, and Faith in Grits yourself, and let them know that you've won, and I shall also let these people know that they've got people going to contact them that has won these giveaways. Okay, guys? So I hope you're happy with that, and congratulations to all the winners. And thank you all so much for your partake in, not only for watching the videos, but for commenting and liking them. So take care, everybody, and look after yourselves. Bye for now.